Hello ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to my channel JojoConnect. On this channel I make videos on how to get various things done easy and simple. If you're new to this channel, you want to just click on the subscribe button right now and also click the notification bell so that you will get to know when I drop a new video. For today's tutorial, I'm so excited to make this video. Reason being that it's been a long journey, it's been patience, it's been hard work all through, and we finally crossed the YouTube threshold for monetization. So if you're interested in knowing how to connect your YouTube channel to an AdSense account, in other words, if you are interested in monetizing your account, then you want to watch this video. You're welcome back to my channel. So first things first, you must have crossed the threshold for YouTube that says to get into the YouTube partner program, your channel needs 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Your channel will also get reviewed to make sure it follows the YouTube monetization policy. In other words, you must have crossed 1,000 subscribers here, just like we did. Hooray! And then you must have also crossed the 4,000 public watch hours. So what you need to do now is you will now go ahead and click on the apply button, but this apply button will not be showing on your channel only when you get to the when you cross the threshold, and that is when you see this apply button showing up. So this is how it goes. I will just go ahead now and show you how to do the application. So you just go ahead and click on apply now. Okay, you have 3 steps to monetization. The first step is where you review the partner programs. And then the second step is where you sign up for Google AdSense, and finally the third step is where your channel gets reviewed by YouTube. And so we'll start with the first step right now. So you go ahead and click on start. Okay, this is the YouTube partner program terms and policies. You can read through it, but I'm sure you will not read it. Just go down and just click here, I accept the YouTube partner programs, and then you click on accept terms. Okay, so once you're done with the step 1, you will see the done icon showing up here. That simply means you're done with step 1. You have reviewed the partner program terms and policies. Then you go ahead and you also click on start to sign up for a Google AdSense. Remember, this is the most crucial part of your monetization process. This is where you have to put in your details that enables your pays, your revenues from YouTube to be transferred to your bank account. So you need to be very very careful in this section. So just go ahead and click on start. Okay, verify it's you are making important changes. So completing this extra step will keep your data safe. So it's asking to verify that the channel belongs to you, so just go ahead and click on proceed. Okay, so you have to enter the Gmail linked to your YouTube channel. This is just a security measure to be sure that the account belongs to you. So I'm going to enter my email and my password now. So it's still trying to verify that it's me. There's something unusual about the activity. For your security, Google wants to make sure it's really you. Okay, do you have? Yes, this is me. I actually have this phone, Galaxy J3. So Google will prompt you on your device to verify it's you. So I will get a prompt now on my phone to be sure that the account belongs to me. So I'm just going to click on yes. Okay, so I just got the prompt now. I'll click on yes. Okay. All right, so I've just confirmed the code sent to me, so I can go ahead with my Google AdSense creation or Google AdSense registration. So this is what I'll do. The first thing you want to do here is, so do you have an existing Google AdSense account? You just click the drop down. If you have an existing Google AdSense account, just click on yes, I have an existing Google account. If you do not have, just click on no, I don't have an existing account. No, I don't have an existing account. I get a point. So I'm just going to click on no, I don't have an existing account, and then I would go ahead and click on continue. So now you have to choose an account to create your Google AdSense. You just choose your Gmail account that is connected to your YouTube channel. So I'm just going to click on my Gmail. So it's going to redirect you to Google AdSense. So I'm going straight to my Google AdSense now. Okay, so you just go ahead now and click on get started. Okay, so I want to create a payment. You have to go ahead and create a payment profile at this stage. So be sure that your customer info, you have account type, you have individual, you have business. Now make sure you click individual, because if you click business, it means you'll be required to enter the company name. So I'm just going to enter individual. So I'm going to enter the name of the individual now. That's the name I want to use for my payment details now. Let me enter the name. So you also go ahead and enter your address. So be sure to enter your address correctly. Okay, you can also go ahead and enter your phone number. This is optional, but I would advise that you enter your phone number. Okay, once you've entered the number, you just go ahead and make sure you check through and be sure that everything is okay. Then you just go ahead and click on submit. So redirecting to your host, so you just be patient. Okay, so once you're done with the Google AdSense registration, you will see the sign here that says in progress. That simply means that your AdSense account is being created and associated to the approval, and association process can take up to several days. So you have to wait for you to get approved. This is where you get reviewed. It says the YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. This step will begin automatically after you complete the first two steps. Due to recent global events, please expect delays in application review. So you would have to be patient at this point for YouTube to review your account. So at the moment, you will have in progress here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been 6 hours since the registration process of my monetization. The second stage has been in progress. So let's go check now and see if the second stage has been completed. So go to my channel icon. I just click on it, and then I click on YouTube Studio. Oh, so the second stage of my monetization process is done, and automatically the stage 3 will move into progress. I mean, the stage 3 where YouTube will have to review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization process will kick into progress automatically. The stage 2 is done. So as you can see, we are now on the stage 2, and we just have to wait until the monetization review process is completed. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.